Hello everyone, this is your Metro Detroit Real Fanner, Train Spotter Maddox here, back with another video. I would like to introduce you to my new Facebook account, and I wanted to tell you guys that I am entering Facebook, so make sure to check out my Facebook page and everything that I post there, like YTP, like sneak peeks and stuff, and more content, and like places that I'm going to, and those kind of stuff. Yes, I just wanted to tell you that I'm getting a new Facebook account, so make sure you stay tuned for when I first get it. And my updates for the channel. So when I was just, there is some slight designs to, I am making since my dad's parents had been moving to this complex, I am making a Falcons man cave for myself. The Falcons is my favorite NFL team, as you can see in the background. Even though my hometown, even though my nearest major city is Detroit. Even though my home major city NFL team is the Detroit Lions. And because you know why I like the Falcons more is because their stadium and their colors, and I like the design of them. Like, very, very well designed stadium. And I actually been there. And I just wanted to tell you guys about what's new and those kind of stuff. I just wanted to tell you that I'll also be posting some YTPs and other types of video art on Facebook as well. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys later.